Okay, so today I'm gonna make some ribs. I did some maybe 2 weeks ago, and I put too much seasoning. This is just some steak seasoning, but I like the way it tasted. I put too much last time, so it was a little bit salty. But basically, I'm just gonna open up. I think there's 4 pieces, or I don't know what it's 4 racks, four ribs, long ways, whatever. And I'm gonna lay them over here. Put some foil. Um, Basically, open the ribs, throw some mustard on it on the ribs, and then make the seasoning stick to the mustard. Then I'm gonna throw them over here on this pan, and then heat them for 3 hours at 275. Last time they came out pretty good. I had less ribs, so on this one I'm gonna probably leave it for 3 hours versus I think I did 2.5 last time. But pretty much that's gonna be it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes. So just ribs and mashed potatoes, possibly some macaroni, but for sure ribs. All right.